Okay, so at this point I will discuss how to locate call recordings. Now, calls are being done in two ways. Number one is predictive dialing, so automatic dialing. As long as you are set to record all conversation in the campaigns tab. Remember, I taught you guys a while ago on how to make sure that all calls are recorded. So you just simply go to a specific campaign, make sure that calls are recorded. You go to edit properties, and then you hit option. Make sure that this button right here has been checked. Now, there are two ways of doing a call. It's number one, automatic dialing. For all automatic dials, all you have to do is go to campaigns, and let's say that call that you're looking for is located, you've done the dial using this specific campaign. All you have to do is click this one. Okay, at this point, make sure that all of the agents, as soon as they tag a call as a sale, they need to make sure that they get the phone number. It's going to be very hard to locate for that call if it's not tagged, and it's not the phone number has not been copy paste somewhere in your computer. But simply we go here to answer your question. We go to recordings and click this one website. Then it will populate all of the calls that has been recorded. A simple technique: as soon as you have the phone number, all you do is control F and search for the phone number. 440-567. Where am I? Okay. 4567. Let's say I'm trying to look for this one. All you have to do is click download, and you system will automatically download the call in your computer. That's if you did an automatic dial. Now, what if it's a call made manually? Now, I've taught you guys on a separate video on how to do manual dial. Now, as soon as you're manual dialing, this button right here will be activated. You have to make sure that the call is being recorded. Okay. Now, after that manual dial call, the location of where that call will be recorded is going to be different. You have to go to Agent Monitor. Right, Agent Monitor, and then go to recorded calls. Now you hit view list. Okay, then you just simply have to again go ahead and look for that phone number. Get the phone number of the manual dial, and from here you can download that sound file. Okay, and then I think that's it. Well, thank you so much. You have a great day.